stream. Multiplayer host. New game. Custom. You can do custom. What can I do?
I don't know. Go. Just do it.
Alright. I'll just do easy. Host, new, normal.
Hurry up. Hurry up or I'm gonna say the N-word on stream.
Ah! I'm working on it! It's starting. Multiplayer lobby, invite friends, you.
He.
Yeah.
Did you type that in really quickly?
Yeah.
Alright, start the game, dipshit.
Poop. Scoop poop. Yeah. I was like, oh shit, I gotta do it fast. This!
Fucking retarded.
I win.
You have to start the game, Nathan.
When I press start, it's starting.
You have to start the game, Nathan.
It says game is starting.
You have to start the game, Nathan.
It's loading. It's loading.
You have to start the game, Nathan.
Your mom.
You have to start the game, Nathan.
I wake up.
Wait, are you in?
It's in the loading screen.
Oh, okay.
The red is going down Sons of the Forest. I'm excited to command my guy to be my slave. And eat people in front of him.
What's his name? I think it's Kelvin.
I have no
Kelvin,
idea.
bust it down, sexual style.
His name doesn't matter.
Kelvin,
He's
throw
my
it back.
slave.
Bro, Amy gave me a spin job earlier.
No!
Amy Rose gave me a spin job.
She's my wife! That great video.
What? Ready yet?
I'm working on it! It's halfway down Forest. It's done with Sons of the.
Black.
No!
Vinny has a new segment called Quality DOS Games, but it's MS Dung.
Oh!
Oh, the red is coming on everything.
What do you mean?
It's halfway through Forest for me now.
Oh! I was like, what? Because I saw like a red dot on that helicopter, and I was super fucking confused. I thought you were getting a graphic glitch. Every time I hear any song or any like ambience that goes da 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 da, I think like
skip.
Yep. Every time I hear those notes, I think like da 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 Ghostbusters.
Oh, the snow is like getting a little quirky.
Oh.
I just farfed.
Skip.
Why am I black in this one too?
What do you mean?
I'm black.
Oh. Alright.
Oh, you actually leave tracks. Look! Oh my God! Look at that!
What?
Wow!
Whoa! Whoa! This is mind-blowing.
No fucking way.
That's so fucking cool. Where are you? There you are. Is that our shared slave?
It's Kelvin, dude.
Oh, dude, have you seen your fucking inventory?
He's deaf.
Yeah.
What, is he deaf and blind too?
No, he's just deaf. Equip. Okay, so GPS tracker is the map. I don't want to be holding this grenade. My fingers say to press the button. Okay.
He a little retarded, but he got the spirit. Bro, I don't think that other guy made it.
Dang, what gave it away?
He's underneath the helicopter. Why do I have that out?
I hate that the lighter's L. I just swapped it to F, so that's better. So what did you tell the guy to do?
Follow me.
Good. I wish I had my own slave,
Look. Oh
but
my
we gotta
god, the
share one.
snow. That's so cool.
It really is.
How do I equip the axe?
Ah,
Oh, do I have to click equipped?
you
I don't
just
know why I have the wire out.
such a massive inventory.
How do we command
I'm
him?
on low health.
Oh, E. We're all on low health.
Hmm. Oh, I see.
Take item,
Yeah.
build, get. Give me sticks and give to me. He kind of jumps around like a little fucking tard.
Yeah.
Well, where is he picking up these sticks?
I don't know, dude. Just making a home out here? Oh, I see.
You can cut them in half, dude.
Whoa.
You try and build something.
Alright.
Or wait, can I set up blueprints?
I think so, yeah. Wait. You press B, hold X, and shelter. Small log cabin. Let's just go ahead and make that. Actually, do you want to move somewhere else? Or stay in this cool snowy
Hold on.
area? Oh my god! You can see all the trees down there.
Where?
You can see each individual tree down there below the mountain. It's not just like... Oh,
Pretty cool.
it really is.
Well, for right now, let's just make a small shelter for right now.
Alright.
Bro, he's got a shit ton of sticks.
Hunting shelter?
No.
Oh
Lookout
shoot,
tower.
you can cycle through the shelters.
Yeah.
Lean to. Look after. Oh my god.
Spring trap!
Ah!
Yeah, I guess we'll just do a hunting shelter for right now.
Alright. Yeah. Who you gonna call? Your mom. Oh shoot! I think your strength levels up as you do shit.
Yeah.
That's cool.
It's supposed to in the original forest, but it never does.
Oh.
My strength was really low. That's why it took me forever to fucking kill shit.
Oh. And the chopping of trees looks so good too.
I mean, it is a new game.
Yeah. And it's not like one of those garbage new games. It's
And
just.
yes, and somehow runs better.
Yeah.
Alright, now we need rock. Here, come here, Calvin. What? Did he give me the sticks? Did he give you the sticks? Oh,
I
he
don't.
set them down.
That's awesome. Come here, Kevlin.
Oh no, I think he already put them in the
Get. Wait. Oh, you can tell him to build shit too.
yeah, tell him to get rocks.
Get
Tell him to get bent.
rocks. And.
Get bent.
Oh, I can tell him to get rocks and give them to me.
Yeah, I
Alright.
know.
That's so cool. And apparently he's supposed to learn like the cannibals or whatever do.
Can't seem to find any rocks anywhere. Where did he go?
I don't
He's
know.
gone.
I told him to find rocks and give them to me,
He's
so.
gone.
Oh no. Oh, you can see him on the
Oh,
map.
there
He's
he is.
going. He's going around the corner.
That is Kelvin. That's his name, Kelvin.
Epic. Kelvin per Celsius.
Oh, he's got some. Wow.
$3 million Kelvin per hour.
It's a wabbit.
I thought I saw a pussy.
The tracks go away after a while.
Oh
But-
yeah.
It's still really cool.
Sneezy.
I may or may not have sharded.
Now you know how it is to be
I mean,
me.
snarted.
There you go. Not sharded.
Okay. He just threw the rocks into the void.
Oh no.
I mean, it's in early access still.
Oh, really? That's
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, he just threw the rocks into the void.
Oh no.
Kelvin, why'd you do that?
Oh, it's getting dark.
Yeah, and I'm still waiting on this motherfucker. There's no more rocks. There's no rocks anywhere.
Oh,
You know what? Fuck it.
live somewhere else?
Yeah, let's go down there.
Okay. You tell him to follow?
He should follow.
Alright.
Just leave him up here.
No, he useful.
What do you mean no?
I told him to follow me also.
Oh. Alright, let's go.
The fall damage isn't as janky in this one either. Means I can jump off this cliff and be fine.
Actually, yeah, test that.
Nah, that
Nah.
looks cool down there. This game's awesome looking.
Nah, I wouldn't say that just yet.
Why?
Because we just started playing.
I wish you could like sled down this hill. That'd be really sweet.
You probably can with a turtle shell.
Oh, that's awesome.
I just like that there's tracks.
Yeah.
Something tells me we weren't actually supposed to spawn up there.
Yeah.
Did you spawn in the snow last time?
I think it might just be random.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
I'm not sure. I don't remember.
We're just checking the shit out right now.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck, I almost died.
Oh. Was that a bird noise or
I don't know. Whoa! There's
what?
cannibals!
Where?
Right over here! Hey, buddy! I'm dead. Those
I'm with
spiders.
you. Then you bitch! You're not gonna attack me. Now who's hungry? I am one hit from death. I didn't eat my
Oh.
message in. Oh no.
Wait, we're supposed to eat that?
Maybe. To heal. We got message in. Heal me. Full health, yes.
Oh, it does give you full health.
Oh, Kelvin is still tailing us, okay. Oh, at least it looks pretty so far. And it performs a lot better so far than other fucking new games. Can I chop them?
Huh?
Hold on. No, I can't. I got a slingshot off this guy.
Yeah,
Hell
I did
yeah.
too. I like how the cannibals aren't really much of a threat, and we just kind of pick on them like bullies.
Yeah, we pick on them, chop them up, eat them. The huge. What you're supposed to do. Mystery berries. Let's see what it does. Oh, you don't have to eat it right away. You can collect them.
Yeah.
This game's just improved everything so far. I like how we're just like running haphazardly down and then Kelvin's safely making his way down.
I'm already down.
Me too. Uh-oh, I hear a cabinal. This is nice. We ought to live here. Oh, they already have their tent.
Yeah. Dude, this cannibal's just really chill.
Really?
Yeah, look
They
at
were
her.
chill earlier, then they hit me, so I killed them.
Night V.
They're just curious at this point. Hi, Kelvin.
Whee!
What? Hello, cannibal. She fucking slapped me. I'm gonna chop her up and eat her.
Dude. Whee! We got our own vehicle.
Mine. I took her arms and legs.
Look at it, dude.
That's cool. Wait, is there another one? Where'd you find it? Where'd you
Bye.
find it?
Nope.
Hold on.
Bye.
Actually, where did you find it? There might be
It's
another one
right
for me.
here, stupid.
Oh, it just... One over here! Night V. Want to just set up camp here?
Now in 3 new flavors: thermal grape,
Nah.
banana, and chillin' cherries. Blast off with
No.
That's why.
Oh, I see. You can block. How fancy.
How do you quick equip shit?
There's hotbar things in this. Hotbar numbers.
No, there's not.
Damn, I can't carry any more legs.
No, there's not.
I think you're supposed to link them up somehow. Oh, the cannibals run on all fours.
Yeah, I know. They did that in the old one.
Okay, so... Yeah, you go in your inventory and press number on whichever thing, and it'll set it to that on the hotbar. So that's a lot easier and better.
Oh, cool.
Can I take the radio? God damn, this thing's fast.
I know, right?
Whoa! Oh my god. All the fucking problems with the forest solved in this game so far. Wait, what?
Okay, mine's just over here then.
Yeah.
Oh, hello.
You're just going back?
Is this back the way we came?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's weird. It turned me around.
Huh. Hello, Kelvin. I bet you wish you had one of these.
He's deaf. He can't ride one.
Whoa. You survived?
I'm alive. I'm alive.
You're alive? I'll do it too. But safer. Took no damage. Or probably a little, I don't know.
No, I took no damage.
Oh no. My thing. so fucking fast. Jesus.
Smashed into a tree. After jumping off a cliff, of course.
Awesome. Oh wow. This thing gets rid of fall damage pretty much.
Why didn't we have these things while we were on the mountain?
Yeah.
Shit! If you run into anything, it launches you off.
Oh yeah.
Where did mine go?
Over here, it's right here. Right here by the tree.
By the tree, thanks. Whee! It really does get rid of fall damage. They just added this thing too.
Oh, that's cool. So where are we setting up camp?
Jesus.
I wish you could store this thing in your inventory. That'd be kick-ass.
You can get some fucking major air when you're going fast enough.
You really can. Too bad it don't work in water, but makes sense, I guess.
Oh, dude, you don't want it to be broken.
Yeah. If this thing runs out of batteries, that's gonna be like a little bit upsetting.
Nathan, you just want everything to be broken.
No proof.
Oh, is that your new little line that you're gonna say every time?
What do you mean? Never.
No proof. Is that gonna be your new little line?
I've never done some weird thing like that.
Yep, it is. Okay. Hey, we're at the beach.
Set up a nice beachside hut.
No. Honestly, I'm just fucking around with this.
You zoom around so fast.
Ah! I hit the air.
The cannibals will never fucking catch us on these.
No, watch them have some. That was a cannibal. Oh, I got.
That'll be funny. Wait, what were you saying?
I can hit things with this rock.
So where are we gonna set up?
Whoa, wait, hold on a second. Okay, no, we don't keep it in our inventory, unfortunately.
Cannibal just jumped down from a tree.
Bye-bye.
Yep.
Ah! Why? What the hell am I hitting?
I don't know. You hit a tree.
No, there's no tree there. I think it's Kelvin.
You want to just? This is a pretty good area when we clear out a couple trees. He pointed to something and I just drove away. Or it might have been waving and I drove away from him. Because I'm kind of a jock, so. Whoops.
Oh, is this your new streamer personality?
What? Me being a Giga Chad? Huh. That's just
No.
me.
Here's a good place. It's next to water and everything.
Ooh.
Oh, hey, a cannibal. Hey there, buddy. Oh, there's several cannibals. Well, they won't bother me.
Here?
Huh?
You said here?
Yeah, no, not here.
More coming. Wait, no,
They're
that's
attacking
Kelvin.
Kelvin.
Run away.
I think. Maybe.
Run away and pretend we tried to help.
Hey, buddy.
If you just wait, they'll start slapping you. Yeah, one just threw a rock at you.
Not a very good shot.
Yeah, it just fell short. Yes, they're
This
scared of
guy.
technology for now. Wait, so here?
Yes.
Alright, epic. Axes can be used to cut down trees or dismember enemies.
No. Kill him. The fuck?
What?
Something just like took me down to no health.
You ran like right next to me as I was swinging my axe wildly.
Oh.
Let's see what the knife does, actually. I don't know how much better this is. Or if it's better.
Dump him in the water. Contaminate the water supply.
They're not scared of water.
Well, there is no water, stupid.
There's this water. She's crying and begging for her life. She was actually crying and begging for her life. And I chopped
my
her legs
God.
off.
While she was still crying.
Yeah. She was like, no. She had her hand up. Yeah, that'll teach them. If I harm them enough, they might just stop. Where's Kelvin going?
I have no clue.
See ya.
Get him. Get him. Whoa.
So
There he goes.
cartoonish. Where'd he go?
He's on the tree. You don't see him?
Oh, shit.
Come on.
He's screaming.
Get deforested, bitch. He's on this tree.
He thinks that trees can stop us. No, it's the next tree. He jumped to the next one.
Wait. I got this.
He's scared. He's terrified.
Where's my slingshot? There it is.
Here he is. He came down. Dodge, evasive maneuver roll. You bitch.
Did you see me just fucking doink him in the head?
No.
Dude, that like doink, that's what killed him.
Oh.
It like bounced off his head.
Awesome.
Fractured skull.
Oh, dang, we need to make a shelter.